friends, welcome to my channel. So in the today's lecture we are going to discuss how we can convert from binary to decimal and decimal to binary and decimal to binary. So what is binary number system and what is decimal binary number system, and why do we need to convert from binary to decimal and vice versa? So firstly, let me tell you what is binary number system. So let me tell you that humans understand base 10 language, or you can call it as a decimal language. We are talking about two languages, binary and decimal language. So humans understand base 10 means decimal language. Okay, because we speak in English and Hindi. So we understand it very easily and it is very easy to speak in Hindi or English. Okay, these are actually high level languages. But binary number system is what? Binary number system is a language which is in the form of 0 and 1. Binary number system has only two values. Even if you are speaking English, we have alphabets. We have 26 alphabets, okay, in which we can speak. But in binary number system, we have only two values, zeros and ones. So even if you have to speak high, okay, and if you are using binary number system, then let's try to convert high into binary number system in the form of zeros and ones. So how complicated it would be for human being to speak in binary number system. Okay, so it is very complicated to learn binary number system. So but machines understand binary number system, because we have only two values, zeros and 1. So it is difficult to remember. Okay, machines understand binary numbers system, zeros and ones. But human understand English language, Hindi language, a kind of high level language. Okay, so anything, let's suppose I am writing a document. I am writing a letter on my PC. Okay, I wrote a letter and I just want to save this letter into my computer's hard disk. Okay, I have wrote a letter in which language? In a decimal language, the human understandable language. Okay, I have wrote a letter in humans understandable language or a decimal language. Okay, but now I want to save my letter into the hard disk. Okay, but computer can't understand high level language or the decimal number system. So what we are doing, we are converting the letters written in our document into binary form. If you have studied computer programming language, then we study compilers. What is the purpose of compiler? The purpose of compiler is to convert the human understandable language into the machine level language. Because finally we have to save our data into the hard disk. So whatever letter I have written, I am converting into the binary form. Then I am going to save it into the hard disk. Okay, now it is saved in hard disk. What I want to do? I want to fetch the data back from the hard disk. Then it is again going to be reconverted to again from binary to decimal language, the human understandable language. Okay, so this is how we need to transform the binary to decimal number system. It is a kind of an interface. Okay, we are providing a kind of interface between the two languages. We are converting between these two languages for the easiest. Okay, to make it easier, because humans understand, we are providing friendly environment to humans. Okay, and we are also providing friendly environment to the machines. We are just converting both these languages. Okay, so now the question is, how convert binary to decimal number system. Even if you are using your WhatsApp and you are sending message hi to your friend, it looks like we are sending hi, but in actual it is converted into the binary form. It is actually converted into the form of zeros and ones at the physical layer. Then it is going to be sent to the other person. When it reaches at that machine, then you will again convert this binary to hi. Okay, in the intermediate path or on the channel, it moves in the form of zeros and ones. And when it reaches at the destination, it is again converted back to hi, so that client or the user can understand it. Okay, if it is going in the form of zeros and ones, we can't understand it. So we need to reconvert back into the high level language. Okay, so next question is how we can convert binary to decimal and decimal to binary. So let's suppose I have this value. This is in the form of binary. The base value is 2. We have only zeros and ones present. And I want to convert this number system into the decimal number system. So how I am going to convert it? What I will be doing? Multiply. Go from the right hand side bit. Okay. So 2 raised to power 0. 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4. Okay, moving from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 this way. And what you are doing? 16, 2 raised to power 16 into multiply by bit. So 16 into 1, 16. 2 raised to power 3, 8. 8 into 0, 8. 0. 8 into 0, 0. 2 raised to power 2, 4 into 1, 4. 2 into 1, 2. 1 into 0, 0. Okay. So this is equivalent to 22. Okay. So I have converted this number into decimal form. It is actually 22. There is also another way to convert binary into decimal. So what you can do, you take 2 because it is a binary number system. So multiply with first bit 1, multiply with first bit plus second bit 0. It is 2. Then you have to consider only 1 bit. Initially in the first step you have to take 2 bits, but after that you have to take only one bit. So it is 2 multiply 2 with 2 plus 1, 5. 2 multiply with 5 plus 1. It is 11. Okay, 2 into what is output 11. 11 plus 0. It is equivalent to 22. So both ways you can convert binary into decimal number system. So there is one more thing to understand. Let's suppose I am giving only 1. I am having only ones in my binary number system, and I have to convert it into the decimal number system. So how we are going to convert 2 raised to power how many number of ones? It is only possible when you have only number of ones. There is no 0 present between 2 ones. Okay, so 3 ones, 2 raised to power 3 minus 1, which is equivalent to 7. Let's suppose I have 4 ones. How you are going to find its decimal number system? 2, how many number of ones you have? 4 minus 1, which is equivalent to 15. So this is the shortest way to determine the decimal number system if you have only ones present in the binary number system. So next, let me tell you how to convert from decimal to binary number system. We have to convert from decimal to binary number system. Let's convert 22. Okay, 22 is nothing but a decimal number system, and I have to convert it into the binary number system. So how I will be doing? Let's suppose 22. Okay, 22 2. We have to divide it with 2 because we want to convert it into the binary number system. 11 divide 22 with 2. 11 remainder is 0. 2, 5 remainder is 1. 2 remainder is 1. 1 and remainder is 0. Okay, then you go from lower to up. It is 1 0 1 1 0. So the corresponding binary number of 22 is this 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, so this is how we can convert decimal number system to binary number system. So my next question is, let's suppose I am writing a text, hi, I am Aarti. Okay, so this is a text file, you can say. This is a text file. Okay, so my question is, I told you that we are going to convert this text into the binary form, zeros and ones, because machine understands zeros and ones. But the question is how you will be converting this high level language into binary form. There are certain standard codes which are called as SKY codes. Okay, these are the standard SKY codes. It is basically a 8-bit code. Okay, with the help of which we can convert our high level language into a binary language. It is a 8-bit. Let's suppose for A, what I am using, I am having 8 bits. Let's suppose this. I am just assuming it. Okay, let's suppose for A, we have these 8 bits. To represent A, these are the 8 bits we will be using to convert from high level language to binary language. So we should have to use some kind of rules and regulations with the help of which we can convert binary high level language to binary number system. Okay, so if you are writing text, it really depends which standards you are using to convert your high level language into the binary language. So I am using SKY codes. Okay, so it is a standard codes which used for converting high level language to binary language. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.